Well, we're dealing with the chapter on ratio, which is the very backbone of mathematics, I would say. The pages are numbered, top right hand corner R1, R2, R3, etc. R standing for ratio. Okay. See, let's take the first case of ratio. This is an introduction. See, 24 sticks are shared between A and B as shown below. A is 8, B is 12. Okay. Same thing here in a different form. So the sticks can be grouped such that each group has an equal number of sticks as follows. Understand this statement well. This is the grouping for A. There are 4 groups, each group has 2. 6 groups of B, each group has 2. It is very important in ratio theory that each group should have an equal number of items, in this case 2 items shown here. These groups henceforth will be referred to as parts, bags, packets. Okay. We can now say that A and B are in the ratio A 4:6, read as 4:6. Okay, those 2 dots. Therefore, A is to B is 4:6. So A, but this is the fraction representation of ratio. It's this is important. The term ratio cannot be used unless each bag has an equal number of items. So please remember that. Okay. So in all these groups you saw there was an equal number in each bag. So then and only then can you use ratio. Okay. This is our second page. Case 2. The 24 sticks in case 1 are now grouped differently to show case 2. We're giving to the same number, A is 8, B is 12, but grouping is different. Can you see that? 2 groups of 4 each. So this has 3 groups of 4 each. So the grouping has the same number of items. Each group has the same number of items, packets or bags, whatever you call it. Since the groups are equally sized, so only when it is equally sized can you use the term ratio. So A is to B is 2 is to 3. This you know. So please note, all ratios are generally expressed in their lowest terms. Got it? So A by B is 2 is to 3. Okay. So something like reducing a fraction to its lowest term. So that's important. Come to R3. Proportion. Now we're coming to something. See, mangoes, the number of mangoes to the corresponding cost. This is number 1 mango, this is the corresponding cost. 2 mangoes 20. I need not explain this. In this, all the ratios are equal. Important sentence. So we say that the number of mangoes and the corresponding cost are in proportion. Okay, since whatever number of mangoes you take, if you divide by the cost of those mangoes, you'll always get the same answer. Okay, yeah. So these 2 items are said to be in proportion. Now let's take case 2, age and weight in kg. At a certain time, the person when he's 10 years old, his weight is 35 kg. After 10 years, the age is 20. Weight is 50. 30 years after that, these are the readings. Now you will know that all these are not equal. So we see that, they are not equal. Okay. See here, this is double. So this should also be double. It should be 70. Okay. If you consider this one, this is 5 times of this. So this should be 5 times of this, which is certainly not. About 175 or something it should be. The above ratios are unequal, therefore age and weight are not in proportion. Okay, so did you get that? Very good. Yeah, so I hope you understood that. Yeah, I will be moving to the next segment shortly.